All right, everyone, we're still in the introduction section, but that doesn't mean we can't start decluttering. So this video is going to be awesome. I want you to go and start your donation pile. And I promise this will only take you 5 minutes tops. I want you to find one of each of these items that I'm going to list. I have 7 items, and I want you to gather them up and put them in a corner, an empty corner of your home or a closet. Clear space if you need to. And that is going to be the beginning of your Goodwill or Salvation Army donation pile. Now, the first thing I want you to grab is a t-shirt. I'm sure you have 100 t-shirts that you never wear. I'm just asking right now for you to grab one. Go grab a t-shirt you no longer like, no longer wear, add it to the pile. Next, a coffee mug. Coffee mugs accumulate. You gather them without even realizing it. And I'm sure you only use the same 3 or 4 anyway. So go grab one that you don't use, add it to that donation pile. Next, I want you to find a puzzle or a board game that you no longer like. Chances are you haven't played board games in years anyway. Just find one of either a puzzle or a board game and add it to that pile. We're gonna get into the nitty-gritty later on, but right now I just want you to find these quick items. Like I said, it should only take you a few minutes to do this. Next is a fridge magnet. Your refrigerator is probably covered with them, and I'm sure people have given them to you as gifts, as little trinkets. You probably don't need them all, so just go pick out one you no longer want. There you go, put it in the pile with everything else. Next is a blanket. Blankets accumulate as well, so find yourself a blanket that no one really likes to use, and then go ahead and add that to your growing stack now. Next is a CD or a DVD. People pretty much just listen to music on Spotify or Pandora or digitally, and the same goes with DVDs. You can watch movies on Xbox Video or whatever kind of console you have, so chances are you don't even use your DVDs anymore. So just find one and again, add it to that pile. And last but not least, I want you to find some old luggage or a purse or a bag that you no longer like. Take that, and that's your item number 7. And just like that, you have started decluttering your home. And it may not seem like much right now, but think of how quickly you were able to gather those items and just how much that's going to multiply after you go through this whole process. So go ahead, do that now, and let's get started.